Hello everyone. In this tutorial, let us learn about different available features under the transitions. So, once you click on the presentation and after the home tab, insert tab, design, and in that transition feature is available. So first of all, the tab which is called as a preview. So once you are created any transitions, you can visible it from here. Different modes of the transitions. So like more, fed, push, there are n number of or multiple options are available. If you click on this drop down portion where different transition effects are available, we you can see over here which is subtle, which is common, generally utilized features, and in after that there are number of exiting, like when you want to see like this slide is now exiting, so for that purpose you are going to use this. And in also there are dynamic content, like multiple from multiple areas the transition is getting coming up. So these are the different transitions we are going to utilize in the next subsequent lectures, but let us first decide and discuss about what are the different features available over here. And after that, effect options tab is there. If you want to add any sound along with the transitions, you can add the duration of the transition, like how much time will it take for moving from one slide to another. If you want to apply the same transition throughout the presentation, you are going to use this apply to all. And how you want to move forward, like how you want to advance the slide, like on mouse clicking or after predefined set timer. So these are the different features available. And in the next, we are going to utilize all the different available features under the transitions. Thank you.